Hey, welcome back you guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get more Codex usage when you run out of it. So for example, you all used up your Codex usage and it says add credits or upgrade your plan or wait until blah, blah, blah. You have to wait a long time. And it says upgrade to Pro or add credits. I'm going to show you how you can get more credits. So first thing is I noticed is that right now, like Codex is rolling out like a bunch of weekly. So it removed the 5 hour. It's resetting the weekly. Pretty much, if you use it for wait for 3 to 4 days, it's gonna reset automatically. So just wait. Don't upgrade to a pro plan yet because it's gonna reset the weekly limit because Codex is trying to get more users to use that instead of cloud code. So you want to wait 2-3 days if you can wait. So that's how you save money. And also, if you want to get more credits, so you can also go here, invite a friend. So if you click on that, it's gonna show you get 250 credits. But what's 250 credits? You ask me. So invite a friend to ChatGPT desktop. When they send their first message, they'll get two. You'll get. You each get. So it's both of you. So get 250 credits. So you can, the eligibility is you can earn rewards for up to 3 referral invites per month. Invitees must not have used ChatGPT desktop in the last 2 months, and invitees cannot already have an active referral invite. So if you click on here, view full eligibility, it will tell you right here a bunch about this, that it's not the same as API credits. So referral credits are not API credits, and you want to find out what's that actually. So if you wanna know what's 250 credits is, it's actually simple. Is you go here and you go to actually add credits right here. You can add credits. So if you do add credits, it's gonna show you right here credits power codex valid for 12 months. So 500 credits is equal to $20. So $20 is you can use as API calls using Codex, ChatGPT. So depending on your model, it's ChatGPT 5.6, 5.4, and so on. So that's equivalent to $10, 250 credits. And then so you can auto reload, but I'm just showing you that's 250 credits for each referral. And you get up to 3 invitees per month. So you can actually get max to $30 per month and of credits. And so before it used to be like if you invite a friend, you're gonna get like a weekly limit reset. So which is even better actually, because these use a lot of usage. So if you ask me, if you do right here, so Sol is like consume a lot. That's the frontier model, and Terra is actually the next one. So it costs like half of Sol, but not right now it's 20% less than that. And Luna is half. It costs half of Terra. So, but right now it's 80% less than before. So 80% less like price. So you're gonna get better out of this if you don't use like a lot of reasoning or complex architecture coding, just simple stuff. Or you can use 5.5, 5.4. That's gonna cost less. So that's how actually you get more usage credits without spending more money, is by inviting friends, or also you can wait a couple days. And I think a couple days is worth it than upgrading to Pro, because upgrading to Pro means $110, which is 5 times, and sometimes you're not using 5 more times. You're only using like uh, you know, 2 more times, 3 more times, and that's it. So this is actually you in order to maximize this, you would have to like constantly like prompting and then coding on Codex. So yeah, so usually you're not gonna hit that unless you need for your work. So if you find this video helpful, please give me a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.